Welcome to all of you. This is T.R. Anand, board member of TIE Bangalore and chairperson of the Matrix Forum. We have with us here today Mr. C.N. Madhusudan, ex-member of the board of trustees of TIE Global, as well as the past president of TIE Atlanta. It's a real pleasure to speak to him today about the upcoming TIE Global Summit at Bangalore 2024. So, Madhu, what's your expectation of TIE Global Summit at Bangalore?
I think Bangalore, enjoys a reputation of being an entrepreneurial hub, and the expectation as far as TGS Bangalore is concerned is for us to reposition TIE as the go-to place for all entrepreneurs. Whether they are in urban locations like Bangalore or Mysore, or semi-urban locations, or even rural locations. So I think what we are expecting to see from TGS Bangalore is a mass movement to bring a tremendous amount of awareness and energy across the state. And it's also good that the three chapters in Karnataka are collaborating on this event. So we have Mysuru, Mangaluru, and Bangalore, of course. So look forward to this. It's going to be, I think, very energizing, and again, a good opportunity to put Bangalore back on the, and TIE Bangalore especially, back on the entrepreneurial map.
Yeah, that's true. I think we are trying to make TGS 2024 mass movement and very inclusive. So there is both entrepreneurship for profit as well as social entrepreneurship to bring the entire. And as you said, we're getting all the Karnataka chapters together, and probably for the first time we'll have a lot of collaboration going there. The theme for this that we have chosen is putting entrepreneurship first. What are your first thoughts when you hear these three words, putting entrepreneurship first?
I think for me, the single word that stands out is government, because I think if we can build awareness in the government that entrepreneurship is truly the solution for economic development, then I think we will see a lot of resources getting focused on entrepreneurship. And what better a platform than TIE to address this kind of a mass movement?
Yeah, I think Bangalore being a hotbed of a lot of startups, one needs to do something a little more innovative and a little more meaningful in order to be able to contribute as TIE. And TIE next year will be celebrating its 25th year, Silver Jubilee of the TIE movement coming to India and to Bangalore. So, what else can we think we should highlight and look at as a vision for the next few years on this occasion of Silver Jubilee?
I think this is a fantastic opportunity. And first of all, congratulations for 25 years of operating history of TIE Bangalore. I think it's a real opportunity now to go grassroots, because we find that if we can bring in entrepreneurship education in as early as possible into the school system and build it into the curriculum, then I think we will create a sustainable basis for supporting entrepreneurship in a very structured fashion, so that as kids grow up, they look to organizations like TIE and maybe governmental support systems to help them through the journey. First about learning, and then experimenting, and then actually launching businesses and creating employment. So I see that as an interesting opportunity.
Yes, I think so too. And, one of the things that we need to do in our education system, since you mentioned that, is we traditionally have had placement, but it's impossible for industry, services, gig workers, etc., to take on all the graduates that we produce, even just the engineering graduates alone, let alone the science and commerce graduates. So one of the things that we think we should propose is entrepreneurship will delve into and evangelize, be a job provider, not a job seeker. That means if you're an entrepreneur, you can employ a few more. I'm one, I employ three more. how do you think we should propagate this message across the city of Bengaluru, Mysuru, Mangaluru during TGS 2024?
I think leveraging government channels is very important, because if the government itself can come to that realization that we cannot provide jobs through KSRTC, government agencies, the public sector enterprises, etc. There are limits to that. You will see it with the banking industry. So I think the first is the realization that for them the best way of channeling human resources and providing jobs is to support entrepreneurship. So this model of one entrepreneur creating 5 jobs or 20 jobs or 50 jobs or 100 jobs, I think that has to get internalized in the government system. I think if that is done, and then we address the educational system part of it, and there are enough examples which are motivational in terms of role models, which can say, hey, how successful so many entrepreneurs have been, and many of them have come from very, very ordinary backgrounds. So if every child in Karnataka can look at this and say, okay, I have hope, and I also have a support system that will support me in this journey, then I think we would have achieved that objective. But it is a long-term thing, and I think the seeds have to be sown first.
Yeah, I think so too. Very, very, very thought-provoking, and also too, Madhu, me and you both being Kannadigas, and this being a year where we are going to celebrate, maybe a few words in Kannada. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಟೈ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ 2024 ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭ, ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೆಸೇಜು ಮತ್ತು ಆಂಟ್ರಪ್ರನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಿಂದ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸು, ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ಸು ತರಬಹುದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನವರು ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಹಕಾರ, ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. TGS 2024ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನವರು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತನೂ ಆಂಟ್ರಪ್ರನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡಲು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತು.
ಇದು ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿ ದಿವಸ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನವರು, ಆ ತರಾನೇ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನು ಒಂದು ಈ ಟೈ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿನೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ, ಗಾಡ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆಲ್.
ಕಡೆಯದಾಗಿ, ಈಗ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿ ಭಾರತೀಯರ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಾನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಕ್ಕ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ AKKA, ಅಖಿಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೂಟ, ಸೊ ಅವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳೋದು ನನ್ನ ವಿನಂತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಲುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು TGS 2024.